everyone, we are here at Love Car Wash here in Las Vegas, and we are going to see if we can walk through it, and then we will go through it. So I'll see you guys in just a second. Alright, here we go in. We got all the love.
Yeah.
This is a Peco Tunnel.
I just feel like it's louder than it should be. Okay.
No, it's fine.
I'm just worried I have my window open.
You should check.
Oh! Thank you!
There you go.
Okay.
Gave us a little air freshener.
Mm-hmm. I think that's a nice little touch.
Yeah.
Well, this is great foam coverage.
Uh-huh.
Oh, and I love when they start off with a big old volcano.
Yep. Feel the top brush. There's some rocker brushes right there. Nice and soft. Yeah. We've got some van brushes scattered with wraps. There's the wrap right there on this side. Got a high pressure arch right here.
Awesome.
Some foamers. Another top brush. Some more wraps. Some wheel blasters going on. Right now we've got a front to back bitter.
Did you tell me earlier this is a Peco Tunnel?
Yes, it is.
I saw a sign that said Peco and I'm like, oh, nice.
Got some wax right here, looks like.
Uh-huh.
This is pretty cool. We've got some dryers suspended from the wall.
Yeah. It's kind of impressive.
Yeah.
I like that actually. It opens the day up a lot.
Uh-huh. Love Car Wash.
That was awesome.
I agree. What do you say?
9 or 10 out of 10. I was impressed.
I'd say 9.
Okay.
So yeah, that is the Love Car Wash. I would definitely recommend coming here.
Definitely.
So yeah. So yeah, that is that. Thank you guys for watching and happy washing.